I think Canadian studies is important for that sort of ancient reason that the unexamined life is not worth living, right? In particular, in the era of reconciliation, so-called, I think we're called to truth before reconciliation. And for me, that means self-examination. That means looking at ourselves as a nation, as a series of endeavors, as a set of ideas, and as a flow of sort of energies and purposes and interactions with lands and peoples from around the world, but also and specifically and especially those peoples who have been here this entire time, whose territory fundamentally this is. And the way that the Canadian project and Canadian people, Canadian politics interacts with that, I think is a really, really relevant, pressing, necessary exploration. We have to really figure out our relationships. We have to figure out how to proceed as a country, a post-colonial or decolonializing nation, with integrity with regard to Indigenous peoples and the territories that are theirs. My work, I think, plays a tiny little part in that, I hope. And having had David Newland, who is such a prominent and celebrated scholar with a founding role in Indigenous studies at Trent, that means a lot to me, because I don't see how you can have Canadian studies without it having ports directly into Indigenous knowledge, Indigenous understanding, Indigenous territorial presence.